one there. There's skin. Look there.
They're all of them
Skin
there are like yellow and black. Is that one?
Hello, we've just found a tree that's that's covered in dead skins, and me and Georgie think they're crossed between a scorpion and a wasp.
Why have they all gone to that tree?
It's the closest one. It's nice that they can smell it. Why have some gone all the way up there and others just stopped there?
I know. Freaky, aren't they? This tree is covered in them. Are you sure they're not all skin?
That's just...
It looks like a cross between a scorpion and a wasp.
Yeah.
That's what's making the noise in the trees.